In today's Wix website tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and simply add a Contact Us form in your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this does work for you, please let me know in the comments down below, and with all of that being said, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to go over to the Wix editor. Now go over to the plus button and go over to Contact and Forms. Then just go over to Contact, and right here you have a lot of Contact Us forms to choose from. There's 4 at the moment, however you will be able to customize them, so just choose the one of which you think you'd like the fundamental basis the most. For me it's this one right here because I think it looks pretty clean, and clean is basically the whole theme of my page. Of course you can change the size of the Contact Us form, so I'll make it a little bit bigger. For whatever reason that doesn't work in this case, that's pretty sad. So I'm gonna press Ctrl Z and then place it in the center once again. Obviously you want to make sure that you're on the right page and simply click on Form Settings. Create a submission table. So you want to click on Create a submission table, and then it will take some time to load. Publish your site. A submission table was created in your dashboard. To view your submissions, first publish your site. Got it. Now you're able to set up email notifications as well. I won't do so, however you are able to. Obviously you can submit the message for when people submitted a form. What's the message? Thanks for submitting. How long should the message show after submission? Set time or always. There's a lot of settings right here. Not everything is as important as other things. However, what you might want to make sure is that you add a new field if you'd like to. For example, the CAPTCHA, so you can't get botted. Of course you can also add a phone and country code, and basically there's just a lot to choose from. You're also able to add a short answer field or a long answer field, and in the advanced files you can upload a file or signature a field. Now this is only available for upgraded to Asana Business Tools, so you probably won't have access to that feature. However, that's basically all you can do. You can see that when you click on phone, the phone will now be added to the form or the Contact Us form, and that's basically how it works. Now when I click on save and go over to preview, you can also see that right now our Contact Us form has been set up. So I'm in the preview mode right now, and you can see that you're able to fill in your first name, your last name, the email. You can write a message, you can fill in your phone number, and then you can just simply press on submit. Also the required fields are instantly updated, and that's how to set up your Contact Us form on your Wix website.